All right, today we're going to show you how to do a signature in Gmail. I'm putting a new ManyChat link under my signature. So we're going to go click onto settings. And you don't want the quick settings, you want to see all settings. And then go all the way down to here. Now you see I have one set up already. And if I look at that, it says that's what's there. It's just my name and my business. Now I can create another one, create new, bot signature, name it. And then I have to type in here what I want. So I'll put Kim Gaskill, Ecotech Social, Kim at techsocial.com. And then I'm going to put this link here. And then I'm also going to put a QR code that I have on my bot. And I download the image. And open that up. And yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so now I need to go find this. I want to add an image on my signature. Go back to signature and put an image. I'm going to upload. Use this one. It's kind of big, so we want to make it small. There we go. And this here, I think I want to shorten. So I'm going to go over and use my shortener to shorten that link. If we go over to bit.ly and create a new, that's the link. And copy. That's the name of it. Okay, so I copy that. And now I'll head back over to my signature. All right, I have my shortened link. I'm going to put that here. That looks a little bit better. All right. And then you have to go all the way down to save changes to make sure that it's in there. Otherwise, you won't have it in there. So now if I go to compose a new email, me, and testing signatures, and test this out. And then you go down here and insert a signature. So I have my bot signature or my Kim Gaskill. Put the bot signature and send it. Okay, so this has to be this. Oh, I'm not in that account. This one and send it. There it is. Test it out. Check the link. And it's going to open up my messenger so that I can activate the bot. And this one here, if they want to scan it with their phone, they can do that as well. It'll do the same thing.